Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken bone stock. First, collect your chicken bones. A mix of roasted and raw works wonderfully for depth of flavor. You'll also need some basic vegetables like carrots, celery, and an onion, along with a few peppercorns and a bay leaf. This simple method ensures a rich, nutritious stock with minimal effort, perfect for soups, sauces, or sipping on its own. Let's get started with the ingredients you'll need. To begin, place your chicken bones into a large stock pot or slow cooker. Next, add your roughly chopped vegetables, 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. These aromatics will infuse your stock with a lovely, subtle sweetness. Finally, cover all the ingredients with about 12 to 16 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is fully submerged. This cold water start helps extract maximum flavor and nutrients from the bones. Now, bring your pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat. As it heats, you might see some foam rise to the surface. Simply skim this off with a spoon to keep your stock clear. Once simmering, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for at least 6 hours or up to 24 hours for a richer, more gelatinous stock. The longer it simmers, the more nutrients and flavor will be extracted. After simmering, carefully strain your stock through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. Let the stock cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep in the refrigerator for about 5 days, or you can freeze it for several months. This homemade bone stock is incredibly versatile and a fantastic base for many dishes. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade chicken bone stock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.